I'm back. I got it. Aha. Okay. So first, I'm gonna save these two for last, cause I've won some Calico Critters. I want to start with Bingo because that's the most exciting one. Got like ice cream and she's holding ice cream. 5 Below. So yeah, I'll get back when I open it. Okay, finally got it open. And this is so cute. It can like bend. And you put the ice cream on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna build it first with it. I feel like that's really cute. But I'm gonna fix your arm. You can move your arms and legs. Okay, so here's the setup. Got it. So cute, and then we still got the Bluey. And if y'all don't like Bluey, and y'all are so old, okay, then Bluey is Bluey, and it has like the little thing like ding. Definitely gonna be putting it on the desk. I just felt it. I did it earlier. Not earlier. It's not coming. But I just did it a few seconds ago. Okay. Does it fit good? But you can do it. It won't stay like amazing. See, I just did it. So that's really cute. So, okay, I'll show this. So cute. Definitely gonna be using. They had different colors, but I wanted blue, but they had the watery texture and like this, the doughy texture. I wanted the doughy texture because, yeah. I would keep the packaging because it's so cute. It's really so cute, and it actually says fuzzball. Fuzzball. Okay, next is the butter squishy. Called it air. The other one called so. Got a new one. I feel like I'm more excited for the characters, so we're gonna do the specs. Okay, we're gonna move all this stuff out the way, and we're gonna do this, like this angle. Something to hold it up. I feel like that's better. Okay. There's tape. I'll get back to you when I get the tape off. Okay, I'm back. I just had to use a fork to get back on it. This is hard to open. Is that the inner? Oh, is that Buzzy Beach Boys? Oh my gosh, so hard. Sorry if you are crooked, but it's a purple case. It's actually specs, and it actually says specs right here. Specs right there, so it's real. Got them at. Oh, it's in here. Okay, it's okay. Oh my gosh. You can like mold it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, and it sticks like right here. Oh, I like this. We're gonna get it all up, and it like, you can clean it up really easily. I'm gonna be playing this for 24/7. It says AV lock, whatever. Like, I love it so much. We're gonna put it back in the case. I'm gonna be doing this all the time. So yeah. Next, Calico Critters. Okay. It says to cut it, so we're gonna cut it. Okay. Which way does it say to cut? Okay, it says like right here to cut through. I don't think it matters, but whatever. I'm only gonna cut a little bit so I don't cut the Calico Critters. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Okay. Oh, actually, I wanted to look, so like, whatever. Oh my gosh, it's the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. I used to love these things, and I still do. Oh my gosh, my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Don't tell me you can take the skirt off. No way. if you don't like the skirt, you can take it off. It looks naked, because it is, but oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna speed it up, so whatever. Okay, warning. It's hard to put on. Back on, but I did it. It's so cute. So here's the other ones you could get. My favorite one was either this one, or definitely this one because it looks so cute. I didn't want this one because I wanted to stand up. So I'm gonna show you the crew. Let's go. Okay. So we're gonna stand them all back up. Don't worry, guys. I don't think the blue is supposed to hold it because it's pretty hard to hold it. So yeah, but we're gonna. I'm just gonna line them up like how cute and what I got. Okay, this is what I got. My favorite was either the specs or the fuzzball or the calico critters. Like, I love them all so much. I love them. But my favorite were either this, or this. It's so cute. I love all of them, but I feel like this one just has a lot of air. We got this for free because the other one popped. If y'all watched the other video, you should definitely go watch it because there's a wax tracking ball. But yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Oh wait. I forgot to put the thing in the fuzzball in water. Because I think why does it do it like this? Okay, we're at the sink. Wait a second. I heard it looks weird. Okay, we're gonna dry it. Wipe my hands off. My iPad is wet. We're gonna dry it off. I think you have to dry it really good. Ooh. Felt like a wax skirt, but whatever. Oh, I literally just see it looks different. So yeah. I'm gonna relax. Bye. Bye guys, thanks for watching.